Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, welcome to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. Guys, today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make the handle of this bag, the short handle of this particular gorgeous bag. So guys, watch out for the full video, the full making of this bag is going to be mind-blowing, and of course this bag is a gorgeous bag. So please make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end for a better understanding. Now the next step is to take my wool, which I'm going to be using for the center of the handle. So for the diameter, the inner diameter is 1 inch, and for the length is 8 inches. Now I'm going to mark out 2.5 from both end of the handle, and I'm going to place this cord. I don't know if I should call it a cord, a wood, a tube, I don't know. So I'm just going to place it exactly the way you're seeing it right now. Yeah, after placing it, I'm going to apply glue. Yeah, I'm going to apply glue to the part where I marked 2.5 inches. Okay, so right now I'm just trimming out the wool because I don't want it to disturb me while I am stitching, because I want my stitches to be very straight and I want it to be neat. So I don't want that to disturb me. That is why I am trimming it off a bit. So the next step is to apply glue to the 2.5 that I took out, which is that I marked earlier from both edges. I'm going to apply glue to it, and I'm going to apply glue to the fabric, which to the leather, which I'm going to be using, because I need to cover that part up. I need to cover it up. It has to be very neat and all that, so I need to cover it up. And also guys, if you're covering those parts up, you need to be careful. You don't want that to disturb you when you're stitching, so you have to trim it down a bit. You have to trim that place that is very close to the wool. You have to trim it off a bit so it doesn't disturb you while you're stitching. Guys, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you do so. And also guys, the full the pattern drafting of this gorgeous bag handle, I have it on my YouTube membership. So if you want to watch how I derived if you want to watch the measurement and all that, please go and subscribe to my YouTube membership to get access to it. And also guys, I have other videos on my YouTube membership, so please make sure you subscribe to get exclusive content. And I'll be dropping the full detailed of this gorgeous bag on my YouTube membership. I'm also going to be dropping it here, but the one on my membership will be more detailed. So please go and subscribe to my YouTube membership to get exclusive content. The next thing is to apply glue to everything, and just glue it together just the way you are seeing it right now. and I'm going to take my clip, and then I'm going to, I'm going to clip them in place to make sure that everything is, it's given. So after clipping it, I'm going to wait for a while, a little bit, and then I'm going to stitch. So if you want a very good result, you have to use a pressure foot to stitch. And also, for me to apply my edge coat, I'm just going to file the edges. They have to meet each other, they have to look super, um it has to be clean, it has to be, they have to, it's everything has to, all the edges are, they have to be equal and all that. So I'm just taking my file to, to brush it up, and after this I'm going to apply my edge coat. I'm going to apply my edge coat to the handle. Guys, I know you can't wait to watch the full video of this gorgeous bag. I'm going to be dropping that soon, and of course I'm going to be dropping a short soon to, just to give you an idea of how the bag looks. I love the design so much. It's, very, 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 very pretty, and of course very pretty to put together as well. So guys, stay tuned, don't go to anywhere, make sure you stay glued to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are able to pick one or two things. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much. I love you all for subscribing. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you. I love you all.